This clothes has been 5 years since I wore it, so more than 5 years. So it was given to me by my sister. So she's trying to make that time she was trying her best to make me girly before. But now it has been 2 years, going to 2 years now. I'm not wearing any girly clothes, so I'm breaking protocol because of you guys. So I'll just strip my leg and see the clothes because of you guys. What the fuck is this? Like, oh, normally you wear shirt inside, don't want to wear it. So this is the cloth. I don't zip the back part. This is the fit. This is one of the clothes that is inside the bag. The only thing that is inside this bag now is just native. I don't know what happened to the shirts, the trousers that I left. So, but I think that woman, my mom, she's the one that gave it out. She gave them out.